深夜的眼泪因为流你，你何必假装快乐？我何必真心难？
Yo guys, good evening. So I hope all of you are doing well on this Saturday evening. Yo guys, stay tuned to the screen, man. Thank you. Boy, but in mind on this man, I hope all of you today have a wonderful Saturday. It was like a hot year in Cape Town, no rain. I was niks opgemaakt. Het was weer wasgoed dat weer gewas gewisseld. En scoren goed dat weer afgedroogd gewisseld. Maar boy man, stay tuned. So yeah guys, yeah, let's all bit fun. I became blind. So no, actually the reason why me and Spikes broke up. But yeah, jullie sa alles kry, jullie sa na story time kry, you know, jullie sa a joke time kry, jullie sa alles kry wat jullie wil. But I'm also making, you know, music as well. So hopefully by the end of the month, I'm gonna release man. Why man? Stay tuned. Right to people, much love to you. Thank you very much for my family. I'm not gonna say fans, but family. I crossed the 2000 like mark, but weet julle wat man? As Golden Eyes represent Kaapstad en kind of you man. Go big or go home. Bye!